Can you hear me now?
Yes, now we can hear
Yes,
you.
Yes,
Vikram.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
sorry. There was some disconnection. Okay. I think we were able to create those business partner groupings, right? And then we got disconnected, right?
We created the groupings.
Yeah, we created the groupings, and now those groupings are appearing here. Okay, so with the description also, those groupings are appearing here. Now, I will first show you the same way how we created the business partner or vendor earlier, and then in the next step, I'll show you how to create the vendor as a business partner using our new groupings. Okay, first I'll use the same grouping that we used previously. So I'll go to transaction BP, click on the new organization. Okay, initially I used 0001.
Ikram, sorry to interrupt you. I think your screen is not refreshed for us.
It is not reflecting.
If,
Let me share once again.
at least for me, maybe I'm not sure about others.
No, maybe because of
Same,
disconnection,
same,
sometimes.
same, same.
Yeah, same here.
Okay, please confirm if you are able to see it again.
Still the whole screen I have.
Let me try once again. Still same thing.
Yes,
Um,
Yeah, yes, Vikram. Still same thing.
can we show this in Fury if possible? If this one is lagging.
Sorry.
Can we do this in Fury or we'll just stick to the GUI?
No, no. Let's first understand the concepts. Then we'll come to the theory. Uh, Seems not able to. Okay, let me try to disconnect and connect once again. So maybe I will just make maybe Akshay you as a organizer just for a few seconds so that the call doesn't get disconnected. Let me disconnect and connect again.
Are we waiting for Vikram?
I think so. We are waiting for Vikram.
Yes, actually.
Hello. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes, Vikram.
Yes,
Okay.
Vikram.
Okay. So what I'll do is I will first show you the same way in which we created the business partner earlier, and then I will show you using our new groupings. If we try to create the business partner, what are the different kind of errors you will get and how to resolve those errors. Okay, so I'm using the same group which I used previously, 0001, and the BP role that I'll select is FLVN00. I'm not able to select. Let's wait a minute. Let me try to disconnect and connect again the server. Okay, so FLVN00 is the role that I will select in order to create a vendor. As of now, I'm again just creating in company code, but later on I'll also show you to create in a purchasing org also. Okay, so I'll just provide some information like this is my test vendor. Again, I'm giving the same code. This is RECH. I will just provide some address information. So I'm just maintaining the address mandatory information, keeping all the other fields as blank as of now. Okay, and after filling the general information, I'll go to the company code data. In the company code data, I will enter the company code, reconciliation account that we used, sort key. Okay, and I think there was, if I try to save, there was one more mandatory field which are not entered, and that is the reason we are getting this error. So this postal code is a mandatory field. I entered this and try to save now. Okay, so see now, this is my business partner number, and if you go to the company code data, this is where you are able to see the vendor number, right? So this is business partner number and this is a vendor number. Now, let's try to understand how this business partner number got generated, how this is 152. So if you remember, when we have done the configuration for business partner groupings, we provided the number range BD, right? So whenever you will be, even if you see 0001, it is also assigned to number range BD. And if you go to number range BD, okay, in the business partner groupings, if you just go to BD, you can see the number. This is the number range out of which this number is getting generated. Okay, 152. You can see starting from 1000 to 1999, and up to now we reached at this stage. So the next number that would be generated is, according to this, the next number should be 161. Right, but I think there are some numbers generated and then those are deleted, and that is the reason the number that got generated is 152. So this number is coming from this number range that we defined when we created the business partner groupings and business partner grouping number ranges. Right. One more thing which I wanted to show you here is, this is my business partner number. Coming to the vendor number, from where the vendor number gets determined, we have done some configuration just now. From where exactly the vendor number gets determined?
Vendor grouping.
Vendor grouping. But have we provided any vendor grouping when we created this vendor?
No, we never provided.
We just provided the BP grouping. But system is definitely able to determine the vendor group based on which this vendor number is generated. So if you go to general data, and in general data, if you go to vendor general data, okay, here you are able to see the account group, vendor account group. So what is happening? System is automatically determining this vendor group based on the BP grouping. So there is one more configuration in which BP grouping that you are defining here, when you are creating this BP grouping here, based on this BP grouping, system is automatically determining the vendor account group. Okay, that configuration we are still not done. Let's try to create a vendor with our groupings now, with the business partner groupings that we created. Okay, so starting with RDO something. So let's go to RDO1. Okay, and if I do the same thing, FLVN00,